Making the realistic AI influencer videos has been a big challenge, but not anymore, because in this video, I'm going to share a workflow with you that will not just keep your character consistent, but the videos are so good, so realistic, so expressionful that nobody can tell this is AI generated. So, I'm very excited. Let's jump right into the video. So, first of all, we need our source image. So if you have already created one, that's up to you. But if you want to create one from scratch, here is the best way to do this. So first of all, we need to go to the Sen AI. The link will be in the description below. Then, click on the Tools section. And here you can see we have multiple different models. We have the image model, we have the video models. And from here, we're going to select Nano Banana Pro, and then head over to the Pinterest and search for any model face. So here you can see we have multiple different models, different images. So you can choose the one according to your preferences. So for example, I'm gonna go with this one. So I'll simply save this image, and again get back to the Sigen AI and upload your image. Now simply type this prompt based on the facial features of this girl. Generate a new face that looks different from it, but still get some inspiration from the uploaded image. Then, select your preferred aspect ratio. Then select the maximum resolution and hit generate. So here are the results, and now we have two new faces. So, if you don't like the results, you can just go back and forth and generate a new face. But I'm going to go with this one. So once we have our base image, we can do whatever we want. Now, the next step is the video generation. So for that, again, we're going to head over to the Pinterest and we're going to find any relevant video, the video that you like the most. You can also search for the multiple videos over here. We have multiple different categories. You can, select the product review videos, you can select the dancing videos, you can see the lip syncing videos, so we have a variety of videos. You can use any one of them. So I'm using this video. Unfortunately, I cannot play the whole video. I'm just showing you some frames. So what we need to do, we just need to extract the first frame of the video. So simply go to the initial frames and simply take a screenshot of it. Then again, get back to the SDAI, screenshot, and also upload the base image of your influencer. And once it's done, simply type this prompt, image 2 posing and dressing like image 1. So image 2 is our influencer base image, and image 1 is going to be the reference image. And hit generate. So here is the output, but if you want to change the dressing, that's up to you, like I did in this example. You can change the environment, you can change the dressing, that's up to you. That's your preference. Now, here is the most important part. Simply go ahead to the video section, and from here, make sure to select the Kling 2.6 motion control. And here you can see we have every single AI video generator. That is a good part. Now, in the image section, simply upload the image that we have just generated. And in the video section, upload your Pinterest video. And once we have both of them here, simply hit generate. And here is the output. And just look at that. Can you tell that this is AI generated? So basically, it copied all of the motions from the input video and applied this on our input image. And the motions are so accurate that nobody can tell that this is AI generated. Well, it also has the music. Obviously, I cannot play the music, but look at the motions. Does it look like AI from any angle? Now let me show you a few more examples. So, I'll be using this video again. Take a screenshot of it, but this time we're going to change the environment and the appearance of a character. So make sure to use this prompt. Image 1 standing at the same angle in a room like image 2. So it's very important to mention this thing because we want the images in the same angle. And in the next part, you can add your changes. In my case, I want a different jacket and also a different hairstyle, and then hit generate. And now we have the different hairstyle, different dressing, but the angle is same. So again, go to the video section. Make sure to select the Kling 2.6 motion control. Upload your images and video.
And here is the output. Now let me know, how can you tell the difference between what is AI and what is real? Just look at the expressions, man. This is so realistic. And also, our character has a different appearance. So we are not copying the original video. We have the different hairstyle, we have our different dressing, we have a different environment. And here are a few more examples in front of you. And by looking at these videos, you cannot tell that this is AI. Like, this is so much realistic, man. So we are just combining simple tools like Nano Banana and Kling 2.6 motion. But the results are just mind-blowing. So this was a simple workflow how you can generate the realistic AI influencer videos. So make sure to check out this AI. The link will be in the description below. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure
To give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.